Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 11th May 2025. Title of Murli. To keep the fast of complete purity and surrender the consciousness of I means to celebrate Shiv Jayanti. Bap Dada said, the way you children celebrate Shiv Jayanti is different from everyone else. Your celebration means to always remain flying in zeal and enthusiasm. In any case, celebration means to remain in enthusiasm. They keep a fast for one day and you have kept a fast to remain pure for the whole life. They keep a fast on food, whereas you too have kept a fast on food, wasteful thoughts and impure thoughts of the mind. Further, Baba said, when you look at anyone, look at the shining star between the eyebrows on their face. You have to take this firm vow. By doing this, your attitude will always remain auspicious, and it is through the attitude that an elevated atmosphere is created. By making the atmosphere elevated, along with your own effort, service is also done. Whatever attainments or specialities you have in Brahman life, all of them are God's prasad. So, never be influenced by seeing someone's speciality. Finally, Baba said, from today onwards, surrender your limited ego to the Father. Because ego brings pride, and when pride is not complete, anger arises. So from today onwards, sacrifice me. Blessing for today. May you make an economical budget of all your treasures and become a refined effort maker. Details are: in ordinary life, if you aren't economical in a family, the house cannot function well. In the same way, if the instrument children are not economical, the center will not function well. Those are limited households, whereas this is an unlimited household. So, you have to check how much extra you spent in terms of your thoughts, words and powers. Those who make an economical budget of all their treasures and go about their lives accordingly are called refined effort makers. None of their thoughts, words, actions or powers of this knowledge can go to waste. Slogan is: become filled with the treasure of love and give everyone love and receive love. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Imbibe the personality of spiritual royalty and purity. The power of purity makes you supremely worthy of worship. You transform this impure world with the power of purity. The power of purity cools down souls who are burning in the fire of vices. It liberates souls from the bondages of vices for many births. From the Copper Age onwards, this world has been supported a little on the basis of purity. Know the importance of this and wear your crown of the light of purity.